Hi guys, this is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you will enjoy this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Now, today I'm so very super excited because I am joining with one of my beautiful YouTube sisters and two other ladies to co-host a collaboration called a Christmas Holiday Mix Collaboration. Now, the brains behind this collaboration is my beautiful YouTube sister, Bree, with Bree's Project Book. So Bree reached out to the three of us, myself, Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and Wani's House to co-host this 4-week collaboration with her. Now, over the course of the 4 weeks, we will each be sharing with you guys different ideas, inspiration, and tips and tricks on how to prepare your home for the upcoming Christmas season. And each week we will have some of the ladies participating with what we like to call the Dream Team, which are our other beautiful YouTube sisters. And so each week, some of them may be participating and others may not. So it will vary. So you want to be sure to tune in each week to see who's participating and to get your ideas, tips, and inspiration. Now, for this week, week 1, we're hosting the collaboration and the topic is my favorite Christmas decor item or entertaining piece. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 items that are near and dear to my heart, and I'll explain to you why in just a moment. So before I get started on the items that I'll be sharing with you guys, I want to do a quick reminder and share with you guys that I do have the playlist to this collaboration listed in my description box down below, so be sure to check it out. So now let's just jump right into it and share with you guys the items that I have here. So we will start first with this beautiful pillow, and it says here, "For unto us a Savior is born," and it has the Star of David here. And so I think this pillow is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I picked it up at Burlington's for $9.99 just a few days ago, and they had several of them, so I picked up 2 because I will be using these in my home decor this year for my living room. And to me, this pillow is a reminder of the true reason for the season, and so that's why it made my list of the top 3 items that I have that I wanted to share with you guys, because this right here says it all. So yes, without our Savior, we would be lost. So, and I love that it is in this red color because red is my color for this year. And of course, gold. I love gold at all times. So I especially love that this pillow has the gold lettering with the red background. It's beautiful. It's simple, but the saying on it is more than enough. It definitely is a statement piece. So I have this one. The next items that I'll be sharing with you guys are items that I've had for many years. Now when I say many, this one item that I'll be sharing with you next, I've had it for probably almost 20 years. Yeah, now that I think about it, it's been very likely almost 20 years. And it is this beautiful, I'm going to reach right here and grab it. So I purchased this beautiful angel as a tree topper on my first Christmas tree for my first home that I purchased. And so I thought she was absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, at this point, I cannot remember where I got her from, but you guys can see I've always loved red and gold. And so I was drawn to this angel because of her beautiful gown with the fur trim here and her beautiful head wrap. And you can see the color is very similar to the color in the background on the wall that we have here. So it's a beautiful, rich red color, kind of like a cranberry maroon type color. And in the front, she's holding this ribbon that is very pretty also. You guys can see that. And she has some detailing here with her hands. Her hands are like holding her ribbon like that. And there's just ribbons here And there's a little flower here. You guys can see that there. So much detail. I love that her hair is braided. And there's a gold little piece of ribbon holding her braids together. And look at the detail on her face. Just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So very pretty. And again, her robe is trimmed in fur on the front also, and then on the inside it is this sparkly gold material, and the dress has wire around it, so I guess it was like ribbon that they used, but it's wired so you can kind of form it to however you like. And on this side, well, around her dress also she has these little beads here as like I guess a belt or whatever around her waist. And this side also her hand is holding the ribbon on this side also. So here's her other hand here under the fur holding the ribbon there like that. So gorgeous. Each year I just kind of fluff up her ribbon and she is ready. I don't use her as a tree topper anymore, but I always sit her out each year for display. So, and you can see how I just fluffed up her ribbon here, and looks like she has like a shawl on. So, and then as you turn her around on the back side, you can see her wings are metal and they're gold. So very beautiful. They're embossed here. Well, there's like these little cutouts and it's embossed. So, and on the sides here they have little stars. You can see there. So it's just beautiful, just an absolutely beautiful piece. She is 20 years old and still looking good. So this is my second piece that I wanted to share with you guys. That's very special to me, and it's probably the oldest piece that I have from my Christmas collection. You know, over the years items kind of come and go, but this is the one piece that has stayed with me through the time, and I try to keep it as long as possible. So I'll definitely be keeping her, but she's a beautiful angel. So that is my second piece. Now my third item I cannot pick up and show you guys, so I'll have to bring you over to it. So we'll be right back. And here's the next item that I wanted to share with you guys, and it is this absolutely gorgeous nativity scene. And I have had this item for at least 15 years. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And I have the pillow here so you guys can kind of get an idea of the size of these items. So you can see how large this piece is compared to the pillow. So it is at least maybe 2.5 feet. Or maybe, yeah, about 2.5 feet each of these are. This one, he's kind of bending forward a bit, but you can see the jewels in his crown and the expression on his face. And he's holding a gift there. And this one as well. So this is Joseph and Mary with the 3 wise men. You can see Mary's face there. Just gorgeous detailing. I just really love this piece. And as you can kind of see here, I have my 3 items out so you guys can see them all together. We have a theme going here. We have the pillow that says, "For unto us a Savior is born." We have the nativity scene, and then we have the angels watching over everything in the background. So I have everything on top of this tree skirt that I've also had for probably about 10 years, maybe 8 to 10 years. Now that I think, well, actually it's been more like 10 years for this tree skirt also. So these are actually 4 items that I'm sharing with you guys, and these are items that I really love, and I have taken care of them, and I plan to continue to do so that they will last many more years. So those are my items. guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because that truly does help me tremendously. Now, again, let me say a huge thank you so much to my beautiful sister Bree of Bree's Project Book for pulling us all together to participate in this 4-week collaboration. So be sure to check back next week for more ideas, tips, and inspiration on how to create a beautiful holiday home. Now, if you are new here, welcome again. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. And while you're at it, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Guys, you don't want to miss anything, because there's lots to come for this holiday season. And for my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.